any idea what time it is?
Yeah, I know, I'm really sorry.
Do you have any idea what that entails?
Yes.
Do you have any idea what he's saying?
Not really. He seems friendly.
Do you have any idea what is going on out there?
Do you have any idea what he's been saying to her?
Well, he's an actor, so it can't be good.
Only that.
Do you have any idea what people back at home would think if they saw me dressed like this?
Oh, well, let me try one more time.
Do you have any idea what you're doing?
Do you have any idea what it's like in jail? Of course you don't.
Do you have any idea what this means?
You have any idea what that's like?
Do you have any idea what that's like?
Do you have any idea what you're fucking doing?
Do you have any idea what it's like to have a guy like that telling you what to do all the time?
Do you have any idea what a terrible person you've become?
Do you have any idea what I've given up for you? For this?
Do you have any idea what this guy's done to me?
Do you have any idea what it's like picking up the man who calls himself your father at the police station, drunk as hell?
Do you have any idea what you're doing?
Do you have any idea what it's like knowing my real brother and mother spent every day of their lives looking for me?
Do you have any idea what time it is?
Do you have any idea what you're doing?
What? Do you have any idea what he had to go through to get me that much?
Do you have any idea what it costs just to change the angle of the lens on a satellite orbiting 200 miles above the Earth? Huh?
Do you have any idea what he's asking you to risk?
Do you have any idea what you've done?
Do you have any idea what this might be?
Oh, it is a photograph album, ma'am.
Do you have any idea what they put in water?
Do you have any idea what I could have, how much I could have, if I went back to my side of the ball and just kept my mouth shut?
Do you have any idea what he's threatening here?
Do you have any idea what went on back there?
Do you have any idea what they're doing with baby seals in Alaska, honey?
Do you have any idea what bringing a gun to a burglary means? Yeah.
What?
Do you have any idea what you just did?
Do you have any idea what I've been through trying to save you?
Son? Son! Do you have the slightest comprehension what you're doing?
Do you have any idea what you're asking?
Do you have any idea what I'm talking about?
Do you have any idea what it's like to have two people look at you with total lust and devotion through the same pair of eyes?
Do you have any idea what it costs to raise you and...
Stop!
Do you have any idea what you're doing to her family?
Do you have any idea what kind of man Barry is?
Oh, but you know about me? Do you have any idea what I've done for God and country?
Do you have any idea what it takes to do God's work?
Any idea what justice is?
Do you have any idea what may have triggered this concern?
Hey! Do you have any idea what you've done? Yeah!
Do you have any idea what I had to go through to see you?
Oh my God, Noah, do you have any idea what I went through to get that thing?
No. Do you have any idea what Basti would do to us?
Oh, do you have any idea what this woman has been through?
Charlotte, do you have any idea what kind of a man?
Do you have any idea what it's going to cost to put this place back together again?
Do you have any idea what kind of flesh-eating warriors this guy's gonna have?
Do you have any idea what you've done?
Do you have any idea what it felt like to hear Wendy pray for me? Huh?
Do you have any idea what you could be doing?
Do you have any idea what that girl's family is going through?
Do you have any idea what you're saying?
Do you have any idea what Gerald did today?
Do you have any idea
What people will pay for...
Do you have any idea what they do to cop killers?
Tommy, do you have any idea what you put me through?
Do you have any idea what it felt like to get the call? To hear that she was dead, to see her dead, and to know she had been with another man?
Why would you lie to me? Why? Do you have any idea what I've done to give you back your life?
Do you have any idea what my father is capable of?
Do you have any idea what it would be like at work today if I wore that?
Are you crazy? Do you have any idea what time I went to bed?
Do you have any idea what the E stands for?
Do you have any idea what it's like to be a teenage girl and to look like this?